Hello, my name is Denis Schofield. I'm an architect with the firm Bolin Swinsky Jackson. Thank you for joining us here at the 56 Leonard building, otherwise known as the Jenga Tower. This building is really well known throughout New York City, and so it's a real honor for us to come into this space and see what we can do to integrate our unique blend of style and design. We did this project with friends and clients. A few years back, they moved to New York City and fell in love with the building and approached us to kind of help them do some mild insertions or renovations within the space. You come into this living, dining, kitchen area. The space is defined by these floor-to-ceiling window walls that look out towards the river, and these massive concrete columns come through the space. We started to integrate subtle interventions, these softer elements, these material changes. There's so much light that comes into this space. You know, what we're trying to do is find a way to harness and manipulate that light, and the fireplace does that by picking up that light, and as it bends around these half-round oak pieces, the light plays off this differently throughout the course of the day. So when we were selecting the furnishings for the place, we wanted to do something that floated. And that comes across over here to the dining table as well. And when we did this top, we did this white inner layer that reflects the clouds, and it has this lightness as this plane floats in the space. We've reprised this oak and bronze fluted assembly here at the kitchen island. And we're also taking some lessons from the fireplace where we peel the oak away, so we just reveal the bronze, the more durable surface in these high contact areas. We introduced this wall hung cabinet, provide the clients with more storage. And the walnut had this nice rich chocolate color to it that was very complementary to both the oak and to the bronze. As you come into the principal bedroom, we've introduced this wall-hung console, and this is an object that reintroduces these materials, the oak and the bronze, and it kind of grounds you before you begin your nighttime routine. So we designed this custom base for our clients' prize sculptures, and what I really like is the materials, again, tie everything together, but the profile of the cardinal here kind of reflects the silhouette of the towers of the skyline. So we also had the opportunity to design these custom beds and nightstands. Here it's just setting the view and providing this access, this wonderful view uptown. It was really important when we finished our work here that everything felt seamless. The new insertions felt like they grew from the existing conditions. And when you step back and you look at the broad picture, everything feels inevitable. We really feel like that's something we've achieved here, and I'm really glad you could join us for a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes,